So let's create a new part. So this is a welcome window. Here we can create a different parts, assembly, drawing, etc. Let's create a part. Select solid, click OK. This is our main screen. To make a sketch, select a plane and then click on sketch command. This is the sketch bar where you can see so many tools related to the sketch bar. In the left side there is a feature tree. Select the center line. Center line are required to make our line segment symmetric. First of all, select a line command. With the help of left click, you can create lines. You can see line command is active. After clicking the middle mouse button, the line command is released. This is the construction mode button. When the construction mode button is on, all the lines created during this time is in the form of construction line. This is delete segment tool. With the help of delete segment, we can delete the lines which are not required. To delete the line, we need to press left click and drag the mouse. There is another way to delete the line is simply select and press the delete button. So let's make a one rectangle. Click and just drag, rectangle will be created. There are different rectangle styles. There are different rectangles that we will learn later on. With the help of delete segment, you can delete the line segment. So these are the construction line which we have discussed. So this construction line is helpful for making shapes. So let's make a circle. You can change the dimensions with the help of dimension tool. Double click the dimensions and then enter the dimension value. You can make the dimension as a locked. So now this dimension is locked. You cannot change this dimension because this is locked, but you can move circle left or right. We locked the dimension. After locking the dimension, the color of the dimension is changing. It become red and other dimensions are still in blue color. After clicking the value and just enter, it become a black and strong dimension. You can see here red one is a strong dimension, blue one is the weak dimension, and black dimension is the strong one. So there are three kind of dimensions in the Creo. Let's delete all the lines. Now create a circle. Make another circle. After clicking the middle mouse button, circle is created. So line is created, create another line. So we will make this line tangent to the circle by selecting tangent constraint. So first left click on the line and then another left click on the circle, then both lines will be tangent to each other. Use the delete segment and delete the line which is not required. Now create another line. So again let's make it tangent with the help of tangent constraint. Click on the line, left click, and then again another left click on the circle. Select the tangent constraint and then left click on the line and then another left click on the circle. The lines become tangent. Let's delete the line segments which are not required. Now you can see the top corner is not tangent as of now. Let's undo here and make tangent with the help of tangent constraint. Now delete the line segment which are not required. So this is how our sketch is ready. The left side is the all feature panel. All the feature is listed on the left side. Let's complete the sketch command by clicking OK button. So now our sketch is ready.